Lesson 13, Illustrating Linear Equations in Two Variables. For the objectives, number 1, to illustrate linear equations in two variables. Number 2, to determine solutions on the linear equations. So for the background information of the learners, or for the learners, you've learned linear equations in one variable. In solving linear equation in one variable, we find a value of the variable that will satisfy the equation. This is called solution to the equation. A linear equation in two variables is an equation that can be written in the form ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, but a and b cannot both be 0. And y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. M and b are real numbers. Here are some examples of linear equations. X plus y equals 2, y equals 3x minus 3, and x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0, while xy equals 5 and y equals 2 over x are not linear. The solution of linear equation in two variables is an ordered pair that makes a true mathematical statement of the equation. Let's have a first example. To determine if 2, 0 or the ordered pair 2, 0 is a solution of x plus y equals 2, we need to replace x with 2 and y by 0. X plus y equals 2 is a linear equation. X plus y equals 2. So again, we need to replace x by 2 and y by 0. That will make the statement true. Second example, if 3x plus y equals 2 and x equals 1, find the corresponding value of y. So through substitution, we need to substitute the value of x by by 1. So 3x plus y equals 2. 3 multiplied by the value of x, which is 1, plus y equals 2. Make sure yung equal sign natin ay naka-align for you to easily identify the left and the right solution. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus y equals 2. Then, by addition property of equality, we can add both sides by -3 to eliminate 3 on the left side. So it will be y equals 2 plus -3. So what is 2 plus -3? That will be -1. So the value of y here is -1. Third example, if 2x minus y equals 5 and y equals 0, we need to find the corresponding value of x. So by substitution again, 2x minus y equals 5. This is the linear equation. So we need to substitute y by 0. So 2x minus the value of y is 0 equals 5. Since ang hinahanap natin ay value ng x, 2x minus 0 is obviously 2x equals 5. Then by division property of equality, we can divide both sides by 2. So therefore, your x has the value of 5 over 2. How about in the form of table? Same process. So let's have first x equals 0. So for the linear equation 2x plus y equals 1, to find the value of y, wherein x is 0, so we need to substitute the value of x by 0. So 2 times 0 plus y equals 1. So what is 2 times 0? That is 0 plus y equals 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Or the value of y is 1 when x is 0. Second, if the value of x is 1, what will be the value of y? So same process, we need to substitute x by 1 plus y equals 1. So what is 2 times 1? That is 2 plus y equals 1. Again, by addition property of equality, we can add both sides by negative 2 to eliminate positive 2 on the left side. So it will become y equals 1 plus negative 2. So what is 1 plus negative 2? Or it could be 1 minus 2. So y is equal to negative 1. Now, what if the value of x is positive 2? Same process. So 2 times the value of x, which is 2, plus y equals to 1. So what is 2 times 2? That is 4 plus y equals to 1. So by addition property, again, we need to add both sides by negative 4. So 1 plus negative 4. Or just simply 1 minus 4. So y is equal to negative 3. Now, how about if the value of x is 3? So same process. So let's put that here. 2 times 3 plus y equals 4. So what is 2 times 3? That is 6 plus y equals 4. Then we need to add both sides by negative 6 to eliminate 6 on the left side. So y equals 4 plus negative 6, or just simply 4 minus 6. It will give you negative 2. So this is negative 2. And the last is positive 4. So this is negative 2. You can fill out the blanks or the table on the y row. So let's see for the positive 2. Okay, I'll use blue pen. 2 times the value of x, which is 4, plus y equals to 1. So what is 2 times 4? That is 8 plus y equals 1. Then addition property of equality, we need to add both sides by negative 8. So y is equal to 1 plus negative 8, or simply 1 minus 8. So therefore, let me use red one. So your value of y when your x is 4 is negative 7. So that's how to solve linear equation using the given values of x to find the values of y. Now, for checking, actually, in order for us to check if our values of y's are correct, which will make the equation true. So let's start with, I'll be going back here. So let's have, if x is equal to 4 and y is negative 7, let's see, I'll be using blue pen. So our equation is 2x plus y equals to 1. And we got the ordered pair of positive 4, comma, negative 7 for the last one, the last part. So if we're going to substitute this ordered pair wherein x is 4 and y is negative 7, we need to make sure that the equation will become true. So 2 times the value of x, which is 4, plus the value of y, which is negative 7, it should be equals to 1. So what is 2 times 4? That is 8 plus negative 7 equals 1. So what is 8 plus negative 7? Obviously, that is positive 1. So 1 is equal to 1. That makes true. So our answer for negative 7 is correct. So that's how to check the solutions of the linear equations.